So these are actually really comfortable, man. These are basically like the regular waffles but on steroids. So they're actually really comfortable, and they give you an extra 2 inches on your height. So you know, if you like me, I'm like 5'9". I throw these on, shit, I might be 6 foot. Shit. Feel me? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Aylin, and we back today with another video, man. So look, first and foremost, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure y'all go down and hit that subscribe button, man. Also leave a like on the video as it helps the channel grow. Let's say I'm trying to hit like 5K subs at the end of the year. I think that's real doable. Right now we're at like 2.1, and I appreciate every single one of y'all that are subscribed and watch my videos, man. I do this because like y'all watch it, man. It's not like I'm doing this because y'all actually watch it. So I enjoy doing it and then engaging with y'all in the comments, man. So if y'all got anything to comment, make sure y'all leave a comment. Anyways, we are back today with another sneaker review. As you guys can see by the box and the title, it is the Nike Sacai's, and this one is the gray pair, the Fragment Sacai collab. I did the video on the navy or blue pair earlier, so you guys could, you know, check that out if you guys want. I'm gonna leave it up there on the card. And yeah, this one, I guess they're calling it, I don't know if it's Summit Gray or just Wolf Gray, or they're just calling it Smoke Gray on the colorway. But big shout out to my man Jerry. He held it down. I think he sold these to me for like 300-ish, around that range. I don't even remember. I bought a lot of sneakers off him, and he just threw these in there as for my personal. So big shout out to my mans. As my story with the Sacai's, I've always wanted the green Gusto pair, and I had multiple chances to get them when they first came out, and I just let them slip. I had the pine green pair, traded those. Then I really wanted the black and white pair, but I wasn't able to get my hands on them. Probably could have got them now, but I just don't feel like spending over like $600 on a pair of sneakers. And then also I have the satin pairs, but I don't really rock those. I might just sell those. But yeah, finally picked these up. I think these are really clean. Let me know if you guys hit on the sneakers app. I know it's like a little bit overdue. It's been like a couple weeks since these came out, and I'm thinking about making a lacing tutorial for you guys. You know, do double lace, single lace, however you guys want to rock it. Just let me know if y'all want to see that, man. Comment down below if y'all want a lacing tutorial. Probably do that as well, and just give you guys, you know, the looks. Like if y'all want to hang the laces, if y'all want to tie them, different ways to do the double laces. But yeah, that's enough blabbering. Let's get into the unboxing, man. So first of all, I'm breaking down the box. Right here is an orange Nike box. Pretty premium box, you know what I'm saying? Got a little tints and stuff right there, dents all over the place. But you guys have the laminated Nike up top. It's like, you guys can see it. You guys could probably see it, right? And then on the side, it comes Nike on the end right here with the swoosh, and the other side has the N, and then the other side of the swoosh. No really Sacai design on it on the box, like scream Sacai, but you should know if Nike is in lowercase with the swoosh under. That's the Sacai look. And it's a pull open box, so you know, you flip it open and pull it out. But let's go over the size tag first, man. The size tag right here in the color code, this is a size 8.5, woman's 10. Retail on these was $170, and the color code is light smoke gray and white with black writing and stuff. And it's Nike LD Waffle / SF. So yeah, if you guys want to, you know, compare your boxes, real or fake or whatever, right there, boom. And then this is from Nordstrom, so it has this tag right there. Nordstrom gets a lot of Nike sneakers, man, surprisingly. So unboxing the sneaker, like I said, it's a slip open box, slide open box. And on the inside, the first thing you notice is the paper. Like I was saying, that's the Sacai like design or like branding. It's the lowercase Sacai, and on the paper, that's just like the lowercase Nike back here. So flipping it open, they do come wrapped in another piece of like paper, I guess. So yeah, the sneakers come wrapped in this extra piece of paper. Yeah, I don't know why they did that, but they did that. So yeah, just unwrapping it to get to the shoe. And right here we have the shoe, man. Yo, this shoe right here is really clean. Big shout out to my man Jerry again. I know my son Ferrari wanted a pair. I might have to get him a pair as well before he gets really mad at me. I know he's gonna see this video, and if you're watching this, bro, just text me, bro. Just text me. I'll probably get you your size 9 as well, man. But right here is super clean, man. Just take a look. gonna cut to a quick little B-roll, show you guys the details, and now I'm gonna come back and break down the colorway and everything with the rest of the review. So let's cut to a B-roll. Alright, so coming back from the B-roll, hopefully you guys got a good detailed look at all the details of the sneaker, the suede, the mesh, everything super buttery about this sneaker, man. But let's just jump into the review, and we're gonna start off with the colorway breakdown. So as for the colorway breakdown, 3 colors, man. Mainly 2 colors on the upper. It's just this gray and the white, but the outsole isn't black, so let's just get that black out the way. That was the black that they said on the box. And they also have black writing right here for the Sacai, the classic / fragment Sacai, and on the inside LD waffle Sacai, whatever. And also black on the back for the branding on the Nike Sacai. But yeah, the upper on the shoe is mainly white and gray, and it's fire, man. I really love gray and white as a combo. As you guys can see, my tee is white and my hoodie is in gray. My jacket, hoodie, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, just pretty simple. Gray mostly on the upper. Nike swoosh is in white. The tongue is in white as well, and white on this midsole area. I guess you're calling this like the waffle midsole. It's like a little foam right there. Calling it like the waffles. And then the rest of the shoe is in gray, man. It's like a 2-tone gray. They have like a little darker on the mesh because it's a different material. And then the suede is in the lighter gray. There's suede here as well, and suede on the back. And then the midsole down here, so I guess there's 2 midsoles. Midsole down here is in gray as well, and the laces are in gray, but they do come with an extra pair of white laces. I do plan on doing the white and gray mixture, so it's gonna be white and gray. So yeah, there's that. And yeah, I guess right here is like white and then a lighter gray, but this gray is lighter than this gray. So yeah, there you guys have that. And then right here on the tongue area, you guys have the fragment logo right there and the Nike Sacai logo. And also, you guys should know already, Sacai is gonna be like double everything, so double on the front, because I did the video on the regular waffles, but it doesn't have the details like this one. Double right here, the double swooshes, the double tongue, and the intruding, you know, the extra emphasis on the midsole. Alright, that pretty much broke down the colorway. It was a lot to cover. I'm running out of breath, but we're gonna talk about the materials on this shoe, man. So I was saying the mesh on the upper, on the regular Sacai's, not these, the previous versions, it was like a see-through upper, so you could really like see your socks, like what color socks you were using, because it was more of like 1 layer of mesh. This one right here is like 2 layers of mesh plus like another thing on the inside, so you can't really see through it. And yeah, it's like 2 layers of mesh. It's like a darker version, so you can't really see your socks in there. But yeah, there's that. Then they have this buttery suede. This might be the best suede I have seen on a pair of sneakers this year. Another, like, I would probably compare this suede to like Asics collab suede or like Saucony collab suede, and it's just, whew, it's just super butter, like butter. Like, if you could just, oh my god, it's so butter. But yeah, the suede is really nice, and it is like, all I can say is the suede is really nice, man. So they got the suede here on the toe box, around the toe box I mean, and then also up the lace hole and around the back area of the shoe. And then the midsole is in this waffle foam material. It's pretty comfortable. It's like elevated, not more comfortable than, let's say, what do they have nowadays, the not even, it's like kind of like Lunaron, but a little bit harder than Lunaron. It's not nothing like the Reacts or anything like that. So yeah, that's for the midsole. And then the outsole is just rubber, and then they have mesh on the tongue as well. And then the liner right here is in this like it's like a pretty soft, I guess you could say. And then they do have some leather on the sneaker, on the swooshes, and on the back tab as well. So yeah, there's that. Why is the Nike thing yellowing? I don't know, a lot of my sneakers be yellowing, man. I don't know why, like some details just be yellowing, but Could be bleeding from the orange, so who knows. And then the laces, like I said, they got gray laces and white laces. Now, as for sizing on this sneaker, I do recommend you guys going down half a size on Nike Sacai's because they're pretty long. These were, you know, I usually get my shoes in a 9, but I had to go down half a size on these on 8.5 just because, you know, like you can see, they just look long, especially on the regular pair, the not Sacai version, just the waffles. You definitely have to go down, but these I recommend you guys going down half a size. But if you do have a wider foot, I would suggest going true to size just because they're a little longer, but it's not as wide. It's just like it's pretty slim, you feel me? It's like a pretty slim sneaker. So yeah, I do recommend you guys going down half a size, but if you do have a wider foot, go true to size on these. All right, and that pretty much breaks down the entire review. All we have to talk about comfortability. So these are actually really comfortable, man. These are basically like the regular waffles but on steroids. So they're actually really comfortable, and they give you an extra 2 inches on your height. So, you know, if you like me, I'm like 5'9", I throw these on, shit, I might be 6 foot, shit. Feel me? But yeah, man, these are pretty comfortable. I will have to say these are like an 8 or 8.5 out of 10 for comfort. Really light. The waffle aspect of the shoe is pretty comfortable. Not the best cushioning like Boost or anything like that, but it's actually really comfortable. So give it 8.5 out of 10 as for comfort. And that pretty much covers the whole breakdown of the sneaker, man. As for review wise, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little on feet just because this is my size, and then we're gonna come back and wrap things up with my resale predictions and my final opinions, man. So let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the on feet, hope you guys, you know, got a good look at the on feet, and if it sways your opinion one way or another, I'm glad it did that. You know what I'm saying? If you guys like, yo, they look trash on feet, or they look fire on feet, like I said, I do think these look fire, so yeah. Alright, now let's jump into the resale prediction, man. As for the resale prediction on these, right now I think they're going around like smaller sizes surprisingly are doing better than bigger sizes, which is kind of weird just because like with Jordans and everything like that, the bigger sizes, even Dunks, like the bigger sizes have been doing better than the smaller sizes. But I guess it is kind of like a Fragment collab with Sacai. Fragment is kind of like a Japanese brand, or you know, like that type of thing. So it was emphasized like 8 through 9 was like more expensive than a 12 or 13. I think 8.5 is around like 380, 400, and then the bigger size is only around like 300 on these. But I do suggest you guys picking these up if you guys could find them for like low 300s. So I would suggest picking them up at high 300s for the bigger, high 200s for the bigger sizes, and low 300s for the smaller sizes, because I do think these will be a $400, $500 sneaker, man. You got the Fragment on the hype. First of all, you have the Sacai collab, which is already a classic in its own way. And then you have Fragment, which is another classic brand that, you know, collabs with Nike. And yeah, just two classics together with a nice silhouette, and it's a nice looking sneaker. Definitely cop these. Would I say cop them for, you know, resale to hold them long term? Like I said, I gave you guys the price range to do that. I personally don't really do that, but I know some people do. And if you guys are looking to cop, yeah, I think these are worth it right now at this price, man. So if you guys could find them for like $350, definitely, you know, do that. Now to wrap everything up with my final opinion, I will be adding these to my collection, man. These are super clean, especially for the summer, and white and gray is one of my favorite combinations. And you guys should already know, like, white cement 4s are my favorite sneakers of all time. So white and gray is like definitely my favorite combo. And yeah, these are going to be added to my collection. Y'all let me know down below in the comments, will you guys be looking to pick up a pair, will you guys not, anything along those lines, were you guys able to win or anything like that? Let me know down in the comments, man. But it's your boy A-Lin. I'm checking out, man. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. I'll catch you on the next one, and we out.